Level 2. Oh, there's the coins! He just saved it for the underground level.
That's the swimmy one, yes! Oh my God! Ali Bata, you're bringing back so many memories. Oh my God, thank you, my friend. Hey, is that the part when they're fishing? I mean, fishing, swimming in the water? I think this is the part where they're swimming, right? Let me know.
Oh, dang it. Oh, we're doing the Underworld theme. He did the coin sound with the Underworld theme. What? Hold on. Yo, this man did the coin sounds. All right, back to the controllers and listening. It's an entire mini Super Nintendo console. Oh, the underwater theme. All right, let me put these controllers away.
Level 2. Oh, there's the coins! He just saved it for the underground level. Oh, that's the underwater board. I actually played this on piano.
What the A, B, C, D, E, F is going on? I'm gonna take that part again. This is serious. This is serious headache going on right here.
Different levels. Whoa! What? Was that the coins? He did the coin sound. Oh my gosh. He's doing like the different levels. Not just the Super Mario theme song that we all know. It's like the whole game. It's like I'm playing the game right now. How exciting.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that was awesome. That was a surprise because I was looking down thinking he's got 2.5 more minutes and the song is really repetitive. And then he goes into the castle. Isn't that like the castle on the, when you're playing the game and it gets all dark and there's rocks about to fall on you? That was a cool surprise.
Oh! right, you're bringing back so many memories. Oh my God, thank you, my friend. Thank you for letting me go back to be a kid for at least 2-3 minutes. Oh my God.
Did you hear that? Hold on. Did you hear those keys? The coins? You get 100 coins, you get a free man. I heard it. Ding, 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 ding. Hold on. I need this. I should be holding this while I listen to this. This is great. Jump, jump. Wow. This is so fun. Now he's just taking a walk in the park again.
Bro, that's crazy. Oh, crap. Level 2, and he added losing the coins, man. Whenever you took damage and you would lose your coins, hold on. Wow. All right, let's go, let's go. That's crazy.
Oh my God. What was that? Look at his hand. He's moving his hand like it has no meaning to it, but he's touching each string as he does that. His hand is literally doing grrr, but he's touching the strings and playing. Oh, he's good. He's good, man. This is sick. Watch it.
That was amazing. Yes. No, he didn't. Woo. That was a sick run. Man, he's going through all the levels.
Oh, he doing it! Oh, the chords! Oh! This is crazy!
Hey. Oh, he's putting the pings in.
That's crazy. He made some coins noise on his guitar. You quit that lip. You quit being so cool, man. I like that. That's not easy to do, guys. I remember this. This is the fishy place, the fishy, whatever you call it, world. I like this. All right. So beautiful. Whoever made this song did an excellent job. It's so beautiful. It's so peaceful. I'm gonna play this to my little baby. Watch them sleep. Mr. Alip doing an excellent job.